We are pleased to show you the 2023 CX-5. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, tinted glass, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.